In this video, I'll use LoggerNet to connect to my data logger, send a program, view real-time data, collect data, and finally view the collected data. From the main category of the LoggerNet toolbar, click Connect. Select which station to connect to. Connect. Once connected, this graphic indicates the connection state. Notice the elapsed time is increasing. Connect and collect. That's a good habit to get into. Collect the data before doing anything else. I'll look at this more later when I collect the data generated by the program. Now I'll send the program I wrote in Shortcut to the data logger. Click Send New and navigate to the program. I saved the program in the Campbell Sci SCWin folder. Open. A warning appears that sending a new program will delete any existing data stored on the data logger. Since I just collected data, I can click Yes. The program is sent and compiled. Look at the compile results to make sure there are no errors, messages, or warnings. If there were any, they'd show up in this area. I can also see what operating system, or OS, is running in the data logger. Now look at some of the details of the running program in the station status window. The Table Fill Times tab shows all the tables storing data and about how much time I have before the newest data starts to overwrite the oldest data on the data logger. I'll close the station status window when I'm done. Now look at the public table in the Table Monitor. Remember, the public table is where the measurement values are updated every program scan, every 1 second in this exercise. This shortcut program takes 3 measurements. The battery voltage reads 0 when powered by USB. Again, that's to remind me I need a 12-volt battery for field deployment. The wiring panel temperature labeled PTEMP-C. And the temperature as measured by the thermocouple. At room temperature, it should read around 23, which is in degrees Celsius. If it reads NaN, or not a number, go back to Shortcut and check the wiring diagram. I'll touch the tip of the thermocouple with my fingers and watch the measured value change. If it goes down, that usually means I have it wired backwards. Go back to Shortcut and check the wiring. Once the data logger has been running the program for a while, I should collect and look at the data. Connect and collect is good practice. I'm already connected, so I'll click Collect Now. The data collection results show how much data has been collected and where it is stored on the computer. I use the defaults in Easy Setup. Notice that it says the 1-hour table is inaccessible or does not exist. That's because the data logger has not been running the program for an hour yet. In an hour, there will be data in that table. Select a table with data. I'll pick 1 minute, then View File. View Pro shows the data file that has been copied from the data logger to the computer. When I'm done, I'll close this window. Close again, then close the data collection results screen. Now I'm back to the Connect screen. In the next video, I will cover the new security features included with the CR1000X series data loggers.